Hi children, welcome to maths class. So we are going to start with the lesson multiplication children. Okay, so what is multiplication? Multiplication means it is a repeated addition. So multiplication means it is a repeated addition. How it is repeated addition we'll see. Okay, third standard students prepared 5 types of flowers. See, you all are third standard students now. See, you all prepared 5 types of using colored papers. Okay, 5 types of flowers using colored papers. Among them, Pooja, Vishal, Bharat and Ramya exhibited the flowers holding in their hands. See, Pooja, Vishal, Ramya, Bharat, they are showing the flowers by holding in the hands. What is the total number of flowers held in their hands? See, we have to calculate how many total number of flowers held in the hands. Now totally how many flowers are there in the hands? So there are how many children? Here Pooja 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 children. Among them 4 children. So there see 1, Pooja 2, 3, 4. 4 children, they are holding 5 flowers. So each they are holding 5 flowers. See here Pooja 5, Vishal 5, Bharat 5 and Ramya 5. Together how much? 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Now calculate 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So how many? 5 4 times. So 5 4 times if we add, then we are going to get 20. 5 4 times we are going to multiply, we are going to get 20. See? Wow, what a magic, no? See, 5 is repeated 4 times. See, 5 is repeated 4 times. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So this is called as repeated addition, children. See, going on adding repeated addition is nothing but an multiplication. What is multiplication? It is a repeated addition. See. Next, situation of students standing in a line for morning prayer. Okay, they are standing in a morning prayer. Number of lines is equal to 3. So how many? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lines. Number of students in each lines are 10. So each line they are 10. Okay, 10, 20, 30. So they are 30. See, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay. So 10 is repeated 3 times here. See, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 10 is multiplied by 3 is nothing but 30. 10 is added 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is nothing but 10, 20, 30. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. See children. Are you understanding children? See, multiplication is a short form of adding the same number repeatedly. So what is the symbol of multiplication? See, this is a cross mark. Example number 2. There are 3 cows. How many legs have or they have altogether? See, there are 3 cows. How many legs are there altogether? See, one cow is having 4 legs. 1, 2, 3. So 3 cows, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, added 3 times. So it is 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. We'll multiply now. 4, 4 4s are 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. See? So if you add, it becomes 12. If you multiply again, it becomes 12. See, answer is same. So it is called as, therefore it is called as multiplication is a repeated addition. Next, example number 3. There are 2 birds in a cage. See here, birds are in a cage. How many they are? There are 2. So repeated 2 times. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. See, there are 2 birds. 2 birds here, 2 birds here. So there are how many? 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2 times is 4. 2 times addition is nothing but a 4. Now exercise 5.1. Write the addition form of multiplication form for the following pictures. See, first we have to write the addition form, then we'll write the multiplication form. So what is first? Here 3 leaves, 3 leaves. So it is repeated 2 times here. 1 time, 2 times. So 3 into how many times? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. But how many are there? 2 times. It is repeated 2 times. So 3 into 2. It is 6. So next is an ice cream. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 2, 2, 2 each ice creams. But repeated how many times? 5 times. So we'll calculate 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 5 times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it becomes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. See, multiplication is 10. Now here 6 ducks, 1 row, and 6 ducks is second row. So how many times? 6 plus 6 is 12. So it is repeated 2 times. See, 1 time, 2 times. So it is 6 twos 12. Now here butterflies. How many butterflies are there? 5 butterflies. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3. So 5 is repeated 3 times. 5 into 3. It is nothing but 15. See children. Are you understanding? Okay, next. Second Roman number. Write the multiplication form. So here it is addition form is given. So we have to write in multiplication form. 4 plus 4 plus 4. It is repeated for 4 times. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 15 plus 15. 15 is repeated 2 times. 15 into 2. It is nothing but 30. 15 to 30. 8 plus 8 plus 8. It is repeated 3 times. So 8 into 1, 2, 3. So 8 into 3 is nothing but 8 3s are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is repeated. 3 is repeated how many times? 5 times. So 3 into 5. 15. 5 is repeated how many times? 6 times. So 5 6 30. So this is how multiplication form children. Next. Match the multiplication form with the addition form by drawing a line. See. 7 3 times. So it is 7 3s are how much? 7 into 3. So 7 into 3. Here 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 3 times it is. 7 into 3 it is 7 plus 3. Here it is 10 into 4. Means 10 should be repeated 4 times. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 is repeated 4 times. Next it is 6 into 5. So 6 should be repeated 5 times. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. See. This is how we will match children. Next, sign of multiplication. So what is a sign of multiplication? Sign of multiplication is nothing but a multiplication sign. See, into sign. This is a sign. So example number 1. Ramesh went to shop to buy coconuts for a function. He asked the shopkeeper to give 12 coconuts. Okay, see here is a shopkeeper. He is asking, Ramesh is asking 12 coconuts. The shopkeeper gave him 3 at a time. So has to make 12. See, here he wanted to make it 12. So he has given a counted of 3 counts. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3. He gave 4 times. See, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So 3 is multiplied. How many times here? 3 is multiplied 4 times here. So it becomes 12. 4 times 3 is written as 3 into 4. The word times is represented as into. Addition form is converted to multiplication form using a into sign. See, multiplication sign. Into sign is a sign of multiplication. See, cross mark. This is a sign of multiplication. Next example number 2. There are 3 rods in each window. See, there are 3 rods in each window. So it is 2 times. So 3 into 2. It is repeated 2 times. So 3 into 2 is nothing but a 6. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3 rods. See, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 is a multiplicand. So x is a multiplication sign. 2 is a multiplier. And 6 is a product. See here. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 is a multiplicand because it is a main 3 rods. So it is 3. And 2 is a multiplier. So we are going to, how many times are there 3 rods? How many times? It is 2 times. So it is multiplier and 6 is a product. So multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. So when we will get a product? When we are multiplying multiplicand into multiplier, then we are going to get a product. The number which gets multiplied is the multiplicand. The number which multiplies is the multiplier. The answer obtained is a product. See, this is a product. Now next, exercise 5.2. Rewrite using the into sign. So 2 times 3 is, so times means what we have learned, times means into, this is x. See symbol, 2 3 is 6, 4 into 3 is 4 into 6 are 24, 5 2s are 10, 3 7s are 21, 8 9s are 8 2s are 16, 9 4s are 36. See children, if you learn the table, then only you are going to write all this. Okay, you should be perfect in tables. So next, what is there? Roman number 2. Write the multiplier and product of the following of the multiplication form in the given box. See, 3 is the multiplicand, 6 is the multiplier, 18 is the product. So here 2 is the multiplicand, 5 is the multiplier and 10 is the product. See here 7, 7, 49, 8, 4, 32. Okay children, see this is how we will do this multiplier, multiplicand, multiplier and the product. And what is this? If you multiply any number with a 0, then the product will be 0. If you multiply any number by 1, what will be the product? The product will be the same number. Okay children, so take it this as a homework. Page number 131, take it this as a homework, and page number 132, this is also homework, and page number 133, this is also homework children. Okay, see this one, this is also take it as a homework. See what is there in this? So easy way to write. Here instead of writing multiplication symbol, we have written in this way, product. Directly product we have written. This is nothing but that. Okay, in the next class we will start with the 5.3 exercise.